Good morning, class 11th. So today we continue exercise 2.2 from the question number 5th. Now 5th question is that let A is equals to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by where A comma B. A comma B is what? A comma B belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. First part is right in the roster form. That B is exactly divisible by A. Okay. So set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So we have to make a relation like that. It is exactly divisible by B divided by A. So 1, 1, because 1 divided by 1, then 1, 2. 1 in the table of 1, 2 will come. Then 1, 3 also. 1, 4 also. 1, 5 also. 1, 6. Then 2, 3 is not there. 2, 4 we can take. 2, 6 also we can take. Then 3, 3. Wait, 2, 2 is also there. And 3, 3. 3, 6. It is divisible by all. You check it. And 4, 4. And last one is 6, 6. So this will be a relation which is exactly divisible by B divided by A. Now, second part is what? Find the domain. If you see that, what is the domain? Domain is what? This one, brackets 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 6. So domain are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And the third part is range. The second one, range is the second one. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is not there. 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are there. So this only the answer. Now question number 6th. Determine the domain and range of the relation defined by R is equals to x comma x plus 5 where the x value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First I have to make the relation. Now what is the relation? If I put 0 here, look at that. If I put 0, then 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 we get. If I put 1, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, then 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9 and 5 comma 10. These elements you can put. Now we have to find the domain and range. Domain are the first one bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the domain and range will be the second one 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be the domain and range. That write the relation. Next question is question number 7th is write the relation. Write the relation R x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Okay. In roster form we have to write this also. Question number 7th. Now what are the prime numbers less than 10? I think we all know 2, 3, then 5 and 7. These are the 4 prime numbers less than 10. And x comma x cube is there. Means you can write like 2 comma the cube of 2, 3 comma the cube of 3, 4 comma the cube of 4 is not there. 5 comma the cube of 5 and 7 comma the cube of 7. 343 will be the cube of 7. This only the answer. Roster form I written. Now question number 8. Let A is equals to x, y, z and B is equals to 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Where A will be the set like x, y, z. B will be the set like 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations. Okay. Like x comma 1, x comma 2, y comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1, z comma 2. And number of how many we can form. A formula is also there, and you can see what is the formula, that number of relation formula. That number of relations. It will be 2 power m multiply n, where m will be the elements of this, n will be the elements of this. 2 power 6 you can form these type of relations. This much of type of relation you can form, 2 power 6. Ninth question is, let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equals to A comma B, where A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. Like A minus B will be the integer. Okay, means what are the domain? What values you can put? That is called the domain. You can put all the integers. So simply the answer is what? The domain is what? Integers, Z only. What will be the range? If you put all the value of integers, you will get the range only. You will get the integer only. So range is integer also, Z. Now this relation topic completed. In the next class we start functions. Third exercise we will start in the next class. We discuss some type of functions also. Then we do miscellaneous also. How many questions are in the miscellaneous? 10, 12, 12. Okay, thank you all of you.